Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Medical Globe e-learning. This is Muzalim from Shahida Islam Medical College. So now today's our topic is chapter 2 of KLM Embryology, first week of human development. Now first of all, see its toes. Here are two MCQ and one SCQ from this section. Now starting our chapter, you have to know about the definition of zygote. It is important for SCQ point of view. Now moving on the next page, you have to know about the gametogenesis. Some important points are highlighted. Meiosis, this one is the MCQ, important MCQ. Now on the next side of this page, you have to know about the consequence and results of meiosis. It is important for SCQ point of view. Now spermatogenesis, it is very important for UQ point of view. You have to know that this whole chapter is very important for prof. Then you have to know about the difference between spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis. It is very important for UQ, for CQ point of view. Now this diagram is important to see the difference between oogenesis and spermiogenesis. Some important MCQ points are highlighted. Now on the next page, this one is the development of sperm. It is important for MCQ. This diagram is important to draw and label the sperm. Then you have to know about the male reproductive tracts, this one. And on the next page, here are some important highlighted MCQs. Next important UQ is oogenesis. It is very important. This one is the MCQ that no oogonia develop after birth. All these one are important UQ highlighted with yellow and some important points for MCQs. Now comparison of gamete, it is very important for SQ point of view. You have to know about the difference between gametes. On the next page, abnormal gamete to is important for MCQ point of view. Now here is about the female reproductive tract. It is only important for MCQ's point of view. You have to know about the thickness, diameter of uterus, part of uterus, layer of uterus. This one is important only for MCQs. Length of uterine tube, and this one is the MCQ that fertilization occurs at ampulla. Now you have to know about ovaries, this one on the next page. Now this diagram is important to see the female reproductive tract. On the next page, this diagram is very important to draw and label for menstrual cycle. Now female reproductive cycle, you have to know about the hormones and this one that are involved. It is important for MCQ. Now ovarian cycle, this follicular development, it is very important for SCQ point of view. All these are highlighted. It is important for conceptual purpose. Ovulation, it is also very important for SCQ point of view. You can draw and label this diagram. Corpus luteum, you have to know about the difference between corpus luteum of pregnancy and corpus albicans. Now menstrual cycle, it is most important for you. Moving on the next page, you have to know about the phases of menstrual cycles and their days. You have to know about the blood loss, that is 20 to 80 ml in menses. It is important for MCQ. Transport of gamete, you just have to read it for conceptual and MCQ point of view. All these. Maturation of sperm, that is capacitation, is important for MCQ point of view. You have to know where capacitation occurs. Vasectomy, dyspermy, triploidy, you just have to read it for conceptual point of view. So a sequence of fertilization. Phases of fertilization, it is very important for UP point of view. You have to know its 5 phases and the result of fertilization. It is very important. You have to know about the OTID. It is important for MCQ. We just have to read all these for MCQ point of view. Techniques. Now cleavage of zygote, it is important for MCQ point of view. Just have to read all these points. Mosaicism, it is important for MCQ. Formation of blastocyst, it is important for MCQ. You have to know its 2 layers, trophoblast and embryoblast. It is important for MCQs. Our chapter is end. Hope so you can understand. For better preparation of prof, you can avail services from Medical Globe Book MBBS Cracks. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Medical Globe introduces its series of successful publications, MBBS Cracks, the benchmark of all, containing all the chapter-wise questions of prime importance, all annual and supply solved university questions, questions to ace your vivas, chapter polls, and of course, we have incorporated all the labeled and histologic and anatomic models in high resolution for your distinction level OSCE preparations. Medical Globe has also launched a gem in the medical world to master every concept for your multiple choice questions, the MCQ cracks, encompassing UHS, NAMS, and many others, revealing the UHS MCQ rank, your practice MCQs, and topic-wise MCQs. Get your MCQ and the MBBS cracks at your doorstep by placing your order at 0335 66 33007.